there is nothing new that has happened. The immediate past chairman served out his tenure, and the tenure is usually a one-year duration. It is at the discretion of the governor to extend. I believe, from my own assessment, there was no reason to extend it, but rather to bring in a new blood that can bring the council together. And what we did in good faith, because our community, our people are important to us. This is the first time after his appointment that I'm addressing the council. I want to charge you. You understand our situation. I want you to lead this council with the fear of God. I want you to lead this council with understanding that you're dealing with people that are independent, feeding their own families. So you need to have a spirit and a heart of accommodation. Tolerate them, but make your points very straight. And I strongly believe that they are mature enough to give you the required support. I want to see a different society from this hour. The federal government is doing everything to see that our production level increases, and every day we're having issues of bunkering, pipeline vandalization, and all these problems. These people that are carrying out this evil act, they are not coming from the moon. They live in our communities. We know them. I'm charging this council as a first step. Take charge of your communities. If there is any information that you need to share with us, share with us. Because at the overall end, we need our country to progress. We need our country to be stable. We need our country to grow economically. And it is only through one means, our oil production. Please, I'm charging you to please go back and take charge of your community. I assure you of my support. I mean it, I assure you of my support. If there is anything we need to do, if it means we sending you some little support financially to create your own little vigilante and all those things to help, we will do it. I know there is one thing that is very important. If I don't address it and I leave here, the issue of I've received a comprehensive list of all our traditional leaders, or our royal fathers, the first class, the second class, and the third class. And we have a total of 150 something. Abi? 100. No, the list I saw was more than that. I have already decided, I discussed with him, we cannot take that responsibility in one block. You already know how the economy is. We're going to take it in phases. We'll take the first class, we'll take the second class, we'll take the third class. But for those of you who are so rich, who have so many cars, it will also not be a bad idea. I think the option is open. It won't be a bad idea if we monetize it, because you even need the money. I feel that way. You can also discuss with your chairman. Because all of you have vehicles and all those things. So if you want the money, it's even better we have a tag of money and we say, look, we're paying. Because you need the money. Apart from these stipends that you collect, how much is it? This would have been something that will also help you take charge of your family, solve your family problem. So think about it. Which will even, that one is even easier for me. So let me, on this note, charge every one of you that are here that God at this time has made leaders of our communities, leaders of our towns, leaders of our section, to know that this appointment that you have is not a mistake. It is God that gave you the chance. Make good use of it. Continue to make peace the most important agenda of your locality. It is only on that it will now reflect in our state. We need total peace in our states. We cannot develop in the face of crisis. We can only improve when everybody is living peacefully.